Break the rules and reimagine this fall. Contradictions is an elegant clash of the unexpected. Bold pairings of contrasting elements create an artful sophistication. This nail look was created with the Vinylux Weekly Polish System over Retention Plus liquid and powder enhancements in a medium length almond shape. This design is called Petrol Shine. Start with 2 layers of peacock plume. While the polish is still wet, press Amethyst Blast additives onto the nail. Repeat with Midnight Revelry and Jaded Rebel additives in a random pattern. Apply a thin layer of Vinylux Weekly top coat.